want to do a ChatGPT, I won't say a tip. Let me just run through a ChatGPT just to show folks what we're still learning here. So one of the things I'm doing a lot lately is asking the AI to create the prompt. So here, AI, you robots, create the prompt that identifies 5 reasons people are reluctant to use Gen AI work and ways they can overcome these fears. So you just, instead of saying, oh, I got to be this prompt engineering, we teach RTO, whatever approach, you can just ask the robots to go do it. And 9 times out of 10, they come up with a pretty good one, much more detailed. Here they're doing, what the objective is. Here's instructions. Here's the output. Here's the tone. Would you like me to run? And increasingly, OpenAI anticipates what you're using, anticipates the next step here. So I haven't, 6 months ago, I had to take this and cut and paste it into a new thing, but now I can just say, go ahead and run this. So I'll say yes. And it's off and running. That's really interesting. It's not what I wanted here.
So how did the like button come into existence? What was it like back during that time?
I'm sorry? Show results, a table. Yeah, so this is what I wanted. The first time I did it earlier today, I got a table here. And then what I'm doing a lot lately is taking this table and converting it to an infographic. So, convert table into infographic. And I think we showed this a few weeks ago. And if you haven't seen it, one, the infographics have become a lot better in the last 6 months. I think certainly many of the tools, but certainly ChatGPT. Second is now it's increasingly easy to make edits to it. And I think we showed this a few weeks ago, but we haven't seen it. I'm going to show it to you. So after it gets created, I'll show a way to highlight just a part of it, and then we can do an edit there. Of course, it's taking a lot longer. Well, let's see. Did I have something that I did before? I think I did. So before, this was the image that it created. And if you want to edit an image here, you could just highlight what was created and go up in the top right, this little pencil with this dots around it. And then that will allow you to highlight a part of it. And then you can just tell the robots, change title to tips to learn AI, whatever you want. And it'll go through that. So one of the challenges we had before was really challenging it because the text was off or a particular thing was off. So I won't wait for this to go through, but this is one tip. So that's the tip of the week.